Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, your device is missing important security and quality fixes. First method is click Start, Settings, click Up and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Run the troubleshooter, Windows Update. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, MSI server. Type ren space, /lan /windows software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, /lan /windows system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, MSI server. Exit and restart system. Third method is open any browser, type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click download Windows 10. Click update now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.